Do you want to speed up your typing skills? Then stick to this. I will show you how you can speed up your typing in just a week up to 80 words per minute. Yes, you heard it right, 80 words per minute. Hello friends, I'm Kesar and today I will show you how you can speed up your typing. So what you have to do is to go to Google, or I will drop a link in the description. Go there and download this software that's called this Typing Master 10. And this was a premium software before, but fortunately this is free now. This is a very useful tool. You download it and install it on your system and open it. This is a software that shows you how you have to type things. So this is very useful. Type your name here and enter, and it will show you the chapters. There are 12 chapters here, as you can see. If you take one chapter a day, it will take you 12 days to type like a pro. But if you want to speed up fast, you can take up 3 chapters, 4 chapters a day, so that you get very quick response. So here are chapters. Lesson number 1, this is called so and so. So you had select that particular chapter, start from the first, and as you can see here, now it shows you which key you have to type with what finger. So which finger? So this A with this, S with this, T with this, F with this, J with this, K with this, L, and so on. So this is very useful tool. There are 12 chapters, as I already told you. So after you complete the chapter, all the chapters, you will see a change in your typing. So this is a very useful software. So goodbye, then see you in the next time, see you in the next tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and also share the video to help me a lot. So I am a newbie on the YouTube, so please help me by subscribing my channel and sharing my videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next time.